Welcome to Power BI demo channel. Today topic, Power BI aggregation function. Today we will look at commonly used DAX aggregate, which is mean. Mean returns the smallest numeric value in a column or in a series of number. For example, we have product which costs $1, $2, $3, $4, and $5. So on this table, you can see we got the product and we got the price of the product. And the minimum cost of the product is $1. So let's see how we can be able to apply mean function on Power BI environment using DAX. So this is our table, which is here. So we create a new measure and we give it the name. We call it mean sales. So our function, DAX function, is mean. And then our table is sales dummy data. And the column we want is a price. So now we can bring the card vision to see whether it's going to give us the minimum price. So we can be able to see whether we're going to be able to find the price is going to be $1. And you can see we have given us $1, but we can format this properly. So we can add dollar sign. There we go, exactly $1. So today we have demonstrated how to calculate mean using DAX. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and to subscribe.